Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how the Collapsible widget works. So right in front of me I have a simple application that displays a couple of markdown widgets with some information on 3 Python built-ins. It's very basic information, a very basic sentence I wrote. And now what I want to do is I want to wrap this information in a collapsible widget so that I can expand and collapse the contents of these small explanations. So the way I do this is by using the collapsible widgets that you can get from textual.widgets. And now you can use this as if it were a container. So with collapsible, you put the markdown inside, and we do this 3 times. With collapsible, and with collapsible. Now, one thing you want to do is you want to set the title of the collapsible. So this looks like, so this code looks like this. By default, the collapsible says toggle, but you can obviously change what the toggle says. Right? So clicking here collapses and expands, and you can customize what's in there, written in there. You just change the title parameter. So this will be min, this will be max, and this will be sum. So if I rerun this, I can see here min. Let's see what we have to say about min. We can change max, we can change min, we can toggle, 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 toggle. So this is how you use the collapsible widget in Textual. If you have any questions or if you want to read the documentation, you can find the links below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.